All right, welcome back everyone. It's TeamWithERVING here. Welcome to our Forex weekly analysis for the week of April 26th to the 30th, 2021. Yesterday we did our pre-week. Today is Sunday. So let me show you what this week is gonna do, guys. Hopefully it will make sense. Also comment below if you have any questions, but we're gonna go ahead and start with our Euro USD. So we're gonna continue doing our weekly analysis, guys, with our brand new TWE sniper entry. So here it is. Let me make it highlight. Let me highlight it for you. Here it is. Look at here. Look at how simple it is. It tells you what the trend is doing, so you don't have to guess. All the guesses is out of your chest. So all you have to do is look at the trend, and the trend here on Euro USD, it is bullish. Look at how beautiful this is. Look at when it was bearish. Look at that. Here's the Stairmasters. Look at that. Walking. Look at what the market did. Boom. The drop is so beautiful, guys. I really love this new feature that we have. It's also in our website, so you can take a look at it if you are interested, but I really love this one. All right, so what we're seeing here, guys, on Euro USD is the trend is bullish. That's what our system is letting us know here. Our TWE is letting us know Irving we're in a buy position. Even the white multiple time frame arrow also pop in and market to call. But the goal here is now what we're seeing here is in real time market still going as a bullish, because remember our new sniper entry here is letting us know Irving we are still in a buy position here. You can also see it in here. So that's why the market is still pushing up. In my opinion, guys, this week market is still gonna have maybe another 15-20 pips to go more bullish. Then market will do a small retracement, retesting basically mid 23 Fibonacci line, then a tiny retracement, making this sell here stronger. Then we finally officially, probably on Tuesday, Wednesday, we are gonna be in continuation of the sell position. But right now market still have potential to go bullish, do a small retracement, and then we're gonna come back anyway on Wednesday at 3-4 p.m. Eastern time. We're gonna review the before and after. So this is the before, and the after is coming this coming Wednesday, because I love to come here and show you data that does not exist yet, which is, you know, what is gonna happen tomorrow. Today is Sunday, guys. Please don't trade today. I know the market will open today at 5 p.m. Please don't trade today. Stay away from the market. But look at here, we don't know what's going on in the next 5 days, so that's why we do this analysis, and then we come back on Wednesday and figure out if everything I told you it is on point. So far this month of April, guys, we have lost only 2 trades out of 4 weeks. So far I haven't analyzed this one on Wednesday, but we're gonna find out if Wednesday we're still in a negative on either way. So let's go. Let me show you the next pair. The next pair that I have for you guys is USD peso. Look at what our new system has told us here, guys. This is gorgeous. I really love this new feature that we have on our website. So our system, look at here, everything is letting us know here from 1 minute to 1 week. Everyone is bearish, guys. This feature here, it will take all the hard work of the guessing from you, and all you gotta do is look at the chart and boom, market is doing exactly what it's showing here. But let's say you still don't want to say, okay, this is good. So here's our multiple time frame, even our white multiple time frame arrow pop in. Our new feature come in, which is our new sniper entry, letting us know the market it is in a sell position. It told you here, hey, I'm in a sell, right? And look at what happened. All the stairs are coming aboard, are coming perfectly as a sell. Everything is dropping currently based on the new system. And look at what happened. Market did drop currently based on what we know, and boom, market dropped so freaking heavy. But remember, the trend here is bearish. So the PV, guys, all you have to be is very careful of when you're gonna be trading PV. The PV is accurate, but remember, who's still in charge here? The bearish is still in charge. That's what you're seeing here, right? So market, that's why the market tried to go bullish, but nope, market boom, it dropped. So I can say is this week market still have room to drop another 15-20 pips, and then we are gonna be getting a brand new confirmation right at this point here, guys. We are gonna be seeing a multiple time green arrow reforming here, and boom, market will be bullish. Maybe this coming month of May, guys. We still have one more week on April, but maybe the month of May market is gonna be bullish. But right now it's getting ready, but overall the market is still trending as bearish. Okay, so it's not time yet to be in a bullish position. And let me know, guys, if you guys want me to pull a live streaming for 8 hours my computer, so you guys can see in real time if our multiple time frame is either gonna be bullish or bearish, so you can see in real time. Maybe you're not gonna be in front of your PC, but you're gonna have the opportunity to look into this new feature. Okay, and let me know, guys. And I'm creating a let's come back on Wednesday and let's talk about it. All right, so let me know if you want me to do that or not. All right, let's go to the next one. The next one that I have for you here, it is Euro GBP. Pay attention what Euro GBP is doing, guys. Look at this. I'm gonna show you real data because that's what I'm here for. I don't care about what is happening in real time. A multiple time frame popping in here saying, Irving, we're getting ready for a buy position. And look at what happened. Our new sniper entry form here letting us know, Irving, yes, we are going as a bullish position. So boom, there it is. So we have a confirmation of our white multiple time frame as well. Look at what happens. Stairs start forming. Boom, green, 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 green. And what does the green represent? The green represent the market. It is in a buy position. Look at what happened here. A multiple time frame give us a continuation of the buy position. You knew already. Even if you don't know, guys, the system will let you know, hey, I'm in a buy position. So you're gonna be able to see the buy position here. It's gonna tell you your name / buy or sell, right? Let's say your name is John. So John, it's gonna appear here saying John equal buy. So you are automatically gonna know that you're in a buy position. Then our multiple time frame is gonna pop in here and say, okay, John, we're still in a buy position. Are you still coming, or you still want to go against us? So then John pop in going with everyone else, and look at what happened. Boom, 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 boom. Market going accordingly based on what we know. So what is my understanding for this coming week, guys? Market still had room, maybe another 15-20 pip to still push up. Then market will continue as a sell, but right now market is getting ready for a sell, but not yet. Market still pushing as bullish. Okay, so but let me know if you do have any question. Anyway, we here live with you trying to represent multiple time frame system. One thing that I need to remind everyone, guys, before I do forget, is the following. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to show you how to squeeze and make hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips with the market. The most important thing on this, guys, on this Forex disclaimer, is do not invest money you cannot afford to lose, because trading business and this business is very risky. You can win and you also can lose as well. So you need to know how to trade. You can always practice on demo before you really go to a real account. And always check the news, guys. Checking the news is very, very important. All right, so let's move on to the next one, guys. The next pair that I have for everyone here, it is USD JPY. Look, this is very important. I would love to see, let's say one of you guys are using a different system. Whatever system you are using, it doesn't matter. I want you to go back to your system. Look at what our multiple time frame is letting us know here. Irving, we are in a buy. Then we have our white arrow confirming, say Irving, yes, we are in a sell, not buy. My apologies on that. Then our brand new system just popping in here, our TWE sniper entry, saying Irving, yes, we all are selling. So what are you gonna do? And then all the sales start popping in. Look at like walking like stairs. Look at this beautiful thing, guys. Everything start working accordingly based on the system. And what did the market do? Market did exactly what we knew the market was gonna do. And look at that, boom, market still dropping. So all I can say is this coming week USD JPY it's selling, so market still have room to continue that bearish position momentum, and it still is gonna come back and maybe retesting the 0 Fibonacci line, maybe another 20-30 pips here below. Then you know what, let me measure it if that is what I'm saying here is gonna happen. So market still have room to drop. Yeah, another 50 pips, guys. It's not bad. Then market officially is gonna form a brand new indication here saying Irving, now we're ready to go. But remember guys, if pay close attention, because this is very neat what I'm gonna tell you here. If you get a brand new TWE sniper entry form here and telling you, okay John, we are gonna be in a buy position, boom, oh my goodness, guess what is gonna happen? Market is still gonna go pulling up as a bullish position. But all I can say is we're waiting for more confirmation here. Market still has room to drop. Then market will do a retracement, retesting the 23 to our 38 Fibonacci, then do a small pullback. But that small pullback, we're gonna come back on Wednesday. It's gonna be Wednesday anyway, where we're gonna review the market live with you, so you can never ever miss any content from us. But if you don't ever want to miss any video from us, guys, it's very important for you to do the following. You need to learn how to hit the bell notification below, so you can never ever miss any content for us anyway. Or our information that we are giving you here is free. It doesn't cost anything. All you have to do is hit the bell notification below. I mean, or now if you really want to grab our system, that is completely different. That is not free. So obviously you can just, you know, look into the website TWE Forex system and look into it. All right, but it's there, guys. So let me go ahead and move on and show you the next pair that I have here. The next pair that I have, guys, this is AUD JPY. Pay close attention here. AUD JPY in our multiple time frame dashboard here is letting us know that everything, look, from 1 minute to 15 minutes is selling, 30 minutes to 1 hour is in a buy position. That the 4 hour, which is the 4 hours that we are doing right now, is selling. The main trend still selling here. Look at this, boom, still selling, so which is accurate. And then everything else is in a buy. So we have a lot of contradiction in here. So this is what I like to come here, guys. So all I can see here this coming week, the market is still giving us a sell position. Remember, AUD JPY is selling, guys. It is giving us a retracement right at this point here. But our brand new TWE system is letting us know, Irving, we're still heading as a bullish position. Here is the confirmation. Then this system come in here and Stairmaster start walking and let us know, okay, we're still in a buy position. And guess what happened? Look at this one, boom, market took off and it's still in a buy position. But right now the market was doing a retracement right against this buy position here. Now this retracement is game over. Let me delete all this stuff, otherwise you're gonna get confused. Bear with me. Let me delete all this crap. All right, there you go. So now we know the market here is in a buy position, right? That's what this guy says here, and that's what our Stairmaster is showing us here. Then look at here, our green arrow just pop in saying, okay, we're still going up, and look what the market is doing. All I can say is this week, guys, market's still gonna push up, retesting your 50 Fibonacci line. Then from there, market will do a small retracement, then we'll continue as a bullish. Most likely this week, this AUD JPY is still gonna be pushing up, and maybe by Thursday or Friday, then we're gonna be seeing a sell drop. But we're gonna come back on Wednesday anyway, but we're gonna review this trade, see if it does make sense. Let me know in the comment below, what do you guys think? If you guys really want me to do a live streaming on Monday, so I can have this feature activated so you can see what the market is really doing. So maybe I will not be able to be behind scene, but at least you're gonna get to see what this thing is doing. Look at this USD peso, guys. Everything is selling. This is so damn freaking awesome. And also, guys, if you guys want to participate on our Tuesday Zoom call, please let me know in the comment below, and I will put you in so you can see it. But check our website, guys. I don't know if I totally forgot to write it down here, but our website is the following, right? So it's TweForexSystem.com. You can grab it in there if you wish. So it's up to you, but it's there available. So check it out. Let me know, do you guys have any question, guys? I'm very happy for this week. We are doing such an amazing work, and hopefully it's meeting your expectation. Make sure you support the channel, guys, by giving us a thumbs up. And remember, today we are trading our Forex weekly analysis. Always trying to bring the best of the best. Once again, guys, thank you so much. God bless you. God bless your family. And remember, stay humble and love everyone. Every life matters, guys. Let's go. Alright, guys, remember, we're here for what? We're here to collect those hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of what? In dollars. There you go. You better believe that. Alright, guys, so stay humble, okay? I'll see you on tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday. Peace.